Dumating ako 1991, so which means close to 22 years, no? Dumating ako dito basically because of the Waseda and LaSalle exchange program for graduate school. So yung first 2 years ko, I was at the Waseda University Graduate School of Engineering, Science and Engineering for 2 years as a research student. After that, bumalik ako ng Pilipinas kasi may return service yun for a year and a half. Tapos bumalik uli ako dito for the doctoral program sa Tokyo Institute of Technology. And since then, dire-diretso na. Hanggang ngayon, nandito na ako sa University of Tokyo. Bali yung host professor ko sa Tokyo Institute of Technology is a good friend of one of my former bosses sa LaSalle. So, siya nag-recommend sa akin. And then, yun namang host professor ko na ito sa Tokyo Institute of Technology, nung lumipat siya dito sa Tokyo University, kinuha niya ako na research associate. So, dire-diretso rin from 1995 hanggang ngayon, kami yung magkasama sa research. Ang field ko actually is biomolecular engineering. So, anong ginagawa namin? Sa ngayon, pinag-aaralan namin nagsisynthesize kami ng mga polysaccharides, mga polymers, tapos ini-introduce namin siya sa cells, for example, cancer cells. Tinitingnan namin kung ano yung magiging reaction ng cancer cells doon sa mga compounds na ito. And we are hoping na we will be able to understand paano nangyayari ang cancer at possible treatment. Okay. Nagtuturo ako in terms of lecture, usually mga invited lecture siya sa ibang university. But basically dito sa University of Tokyo, it's more of research advising. Tapos ang tinuturo ko actually, yung experiments sa mga graduate students. At least I am sure of dito sa Institute of Industrial Science, ako pa lang yung first Filipino, and the whole university, the University of Tokyo, so far, ako pa lang yung faculty. 80 to 90% of the faculty in science and engineering, lalaki, lahat yan. So, pag a-attend ka ng faculty meeting, minsan ako lang yung isang babae, parang naghanap ka ng kausap, di ba? That's one basic question people ask, no? Bakit daw ang kinuha ay na-associate is babae, tapos Asian, tapos hindi puti, di ba? Kung hindi Amerikano, hindi French, kasi may mga French researchers dito. But maganda yung response nung host ko na kumuha sa akin as associate. Sabi niya, she's one person I can trust. So, napaka-importante sa Japanese yung element of trust, na mapagkakatiwalaan ka sa trabaho, na maayos yung trabaho, and at the same time, you will not betray the trust of the professor. Married ako to a Japanese, wala kaming anak, and we will never be able to have children. Kasi year 2000, I was diagnosed with cancer of the uterus. So, inoperahan ako. And then, year 2004, cancer of the kidney. So, basically, cancer survivor ako. And siguro that's also the reason why I'm very much interested with finding a cure for cancer. Kasi I myself was a cancer patient twice already. No? Maabilidad kasi tayong Pilipino yung parang hindi na siya minsan para sa ibang tao, hindi na to pwede, pero tayo nagagawan pa natin ng paraan. Okay? And besides, perseverance, patience, no? Kahit na mahirap in the sense na syempre lahat ng tao nakatingin sa'yo malaki yung pressure pero we continue to work hard, we continue to pursue our goals. So siguro parang di ba nagkabagyong Yolanda, pero nakangiti pa rin tayo, nagtatrabaho pa rin talaga tayo na we never lost hope sa people. So siguro yun yung meron tayong Pilipino na nakikita nila na very positive tayo, very optimistic. We never run out of new ideas to come up with. Kasi parang pag tinignan mo yung presidente, parang tatay yan, di ba? So kung katulad ko na 22 years na dito, iba rin syempre pakiramdam na dadalaw yung tatay, aalamin kung kumusta na kami dito, ano bang ano bang pwedeng maging area of cooperation. Na you have that feeling of pride, the feeling of joy, and the feeling of being proud that you're a Filipino. Actually, as a Filipino and as a woman, napakahirap mabuhay dito sa Japan, lalo na sa career, dahil lahat ng tao talaga dito work. Talagang minsan hindi ka umuwi. Pero ang reward para sa akin is I am recognized as a Filipino. Actually, tinatanong ako ng mga Hapon, ba't daw hindi ako magpalit ng passport? Kasi ang Japan, kahit saan pumunta, hindi kailangan ng visa eh. Ako palaging pagdadaan sa immigration, yung mga estudyante ko nandun na, nauna na. Ako lagi yung nahaharang sa immigration. Pero I did not regret, no? Parang, it never occurred to me na magpalit ako ng nationality. Why? Because I am happy and I'm proud of being a Filipino. And basically, kung may magandang mangyari sa research na ginagawa ko, it will be a Filipino. It will not be a Japanese who will be awarded. It's a blessing na napalayo ako sa Pilipinas kasi doon ko naramdaman yung ano yung pagiging Pilipino ko, ano yung possible contribution ko as a Filipino, and gaano kagaling ang Filipino na given this environment, kaya natin mag-succeed, diba? Siguro wala tayong gamit na ganito sa Pilipinas, pero pag binigyan tayo ng proper environment, we will succeed definitely far better than the Japanese. I have to do my best. I just have to excel so that the rest of the Filipinos can be truly proud to be truly proud of them being Filipinos. Yun lang yung kaligayahan ko. Filipino ito, magaling tayo eh. Pero bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon, huwag natin sayangin. We can do good things actually.